Hi, welcome back. This video is the metronome for the Samba de Roda version 2. So we're going to start nice and slow and we'll slowly build it up over time. I want to give you a chance to make sure you get the pattern first, because that's where people start to lose the rhythm, when they haven't had time to build that muscle memory. So again, if you're right-handed, sitting sideways to your screen, facing that way, use me as a visual metronome. If you're left-hand dominant, turn around, face the other way. I'm assuming by now you've watched the whole tutorial, so you get the breakdown, you understand how there's 3 different parts. So we're just going to put all 3 together and slowly roll on. Remember, if you need time to process the pattern, do every second one. Then try to do 2 in a row, then try to do 3 in a row. But having that little break in between, it gives your brain a chance to reset and reprocess and keep it going. So I'm going to start rolling and we're just going to get into it. In, out, in, out, out, in, out, 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 in, out, 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 out. Remember to keep saying it while you're doing it, because it helps you to vocalize. And one day you're going to be singing while you're playing this, right? In, out, out, in, out, 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 out. Plus it just helps with the rhythm to remember how it goes, right? Out, in, out, out, in, out, 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 in, out, out. Okay, so I hope that works. I hope that's helpful to you. Again, take it back, start it again, take it back, start it again. And you'll just get more and more accustomed to it. Having that metronome really, really helps. Come back and watch the video as many times as you like. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.